Hi, welcome to ToDoTips. In this video we are going to remove the broken tip of the headphone connector from this PS5 controller. This was a piece that was broken and it was inside. I was able to remove it in an unusual way. It worked for me. I hope it works for you. Let's get started with this. The first thing we do is opening these two buttons because there are screws underneath them, like that. So put a screwdriver, slowly pull it. I'm holding my finger so it doesn't pop out. So this is removed. We need to remove that screw later, and the same for this side. Like that. This is removed. Then we turn this and we have to pull this side and this side. So we can use a screwdriver, just insert it in here. So this is now up. The same way on this side. And now we can go underneath with the screwdriver, or the same way from here, just pull it, and you see this is now out. Now at this stage, when I opened it, I don't see any room for me. I don't see any room or hole or anything to push it. So there is no way to push this out. One way for me is that piece that is broken, the green that you see, when I touch it with this piece, with this tool, it seems flat. So I got this nail. Doesn't matter which size, as long as the head is such that it can go in. So I'm hoping that I will put some glue here and hold it for a few seconds, the crazy glue. And I'm gonna use this super bond glue. Half a drop of glue, and then here I have the glue. I don't know if you can see the reflection. So now this has enough glue, and I'm gonna put it here, but I have to hold it straight for a few seconds. Let's hope that it is perpendicular. Oh, this is not straight. Now it got bent. This could have been done before opening it, but I opened it and I hope that I will see something to push that connector. Now, let's see. I have to make sure that I do not bend this up, down, left or right, and pull it straight. Bismillah. No. So, did not work. Now, I'm doing a very risky thing here. I would not advise you to do it, but let's see if this works for me. So I have this very narrow tip soldering iron, and I'm gonna, just in front of this, at this spot, I'm gonna punch a hole, because this is already very deep. I can see it, and the tip must be somewhere here, exactly at the middle. So let's do it. Yes, I believe I pushed it out. I'm not gonna do it further with this soldering iron. So I pushed it with soldering iron. It's already a little out. Let's use the nail. I have a wire for the tip of this type of wire that I have. Let me just push it. So here, this is now removed. It was broken from this part. So nothing has been damaged. It has been removed successfully. So let's put them back together. I'll put this base for the connector for the battery. And I removed this sensor here. Let's insert it. Insert this piece. And it stays. And here I have to push it underneath the tip. There is some yes, so it is now in position. Disconnect it first and then place it. I hold it this way so the screw does not fall in. So maybe it should fall this way if that happens. Now we can put them back. This, go a little forward. As you can see, the buttons can go. So I'm pushing that side and so push this underneath and now these are under. Let's push this side. This snapped. And this also snapped. Finally, this is the right side. It says to do it. Now this is the R1. Take it like this and make sure to insert this portion directly in here. That is for this. I'm putting it exactly at that spot and then pushing it. The same way for this side. You see, I'm holding this to put arrow on the screen. There's no space in here and in here. Make sure there is no space. And it has been installed. Thank you for watching. If you have comment or question, please post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. And make sure to subscribe so you get updates of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please thumb up the video and also share it. I appreciate it.